Hey everybody, Page's MMA dad, Rich Finaldi. How are you? Happy Friday. All that stuff. I just want to come to you, as usual, for a few minutes today. Something that I'm going to do a little bit of ranting and soapboxing on, but it's okay. It's all good. What is your authenticity? Now, I hear a lot of people out there talking how you got to be positive, you got to manifest your reality. There is a very pertinent truth to that, okay? Manifesting your reality, manifesting good things. I do believe we become a self-fulfilling prophecy. What you keep telling yourself who you are, what you are, is what you become, okay? But to a degree, we have to validate our pain, our fears. We cannot pretend that they're not real. And we can by no means brainwash ourselves to think that we're one thing when we're another thing. You want to reach people with your niche, you really want to get across to them, you gotta be fearless in who you are. You have to be completely fearless and completely unadulterated. You got to be completely transparent. And I hear a lot about that too. Because you know what? I always say this, it's okay to be not okay. You, for you to reach the world, for you to truly add value, you got to let people know that you're having the same pain as they are. It doesn't always have to be a success story. It doesn't. Because your story, the success of your story is truly going to be true to who you are. Be true to who you are. And you know what? To be positive all the time is not good. And of course, to be negative all the time is no good. But sometimes negative isn't negative. Negative is being real. And as long as we could be that way with each other, then you're going to reach somebody, because what we're really dying for in this world is acceptance. If you set out on an entrepreneurial journey, you want to make money online, you want to do all that stuff, right? And you're not doing well, you can't have people barking at you, well, do this, do that, do this, do that. It's not that simple. It's not that simple. I beg to differ. Everybody has a different opinion, and you have to agree to disagree. This is not to say that we have to throw a pity fest for ourselves the rest of our life, but the only way you're going to truly reach people is being yourself, for good, for bad, and then you can follow up with saying it's okay to be either way, but to know that the total journey that you're on, it is all for a purpose. It is all for us. Everybody, have a great day. Remember, be true to your authentic self. Be true to your authenticity, because if you're a fake, people will know it. And even if they don't know it, they're not going to hear you. If you want to reach people with your niche, if you want to help the world, this is the way. Everybody, take care. Remember, the #1 life and time workshop is coming out soon. I will be setting a date this weekend. Everybody, take care. Bye-bye.